Can 1 raised to the power I still remain 1? Or does it transform into an entirely different complex number? In this video, we will explore the fascinating mathematical value of 1 raised to the power I. We want to evaluate the value of 1 raised to the power I. To solve this, we use the complex exponential formula. A raised to b is equal to e raised to the power b log a. Applying this formula, we get 1 raised to I is equal to e raised to the power I log 1. Now, in complex analysis, the logarithm is multivalued. The logarithm of 1 can be written as log 1 equals 0 plus 2 n pi I, where n belongs to the set of integers. Substituting this value into the expression, 1 raised to I equals e raised to the power I multiplied by 2 n pi I. Since I squared equals minus 1, the expression simplifies to 1 raised to I equals e raised to minus 2 n pi. This means infinitely many possible values exist. As we see, different values are obtained for different integers of n. Now, for the principal value, we take n equals 0. Therefore, 1 raised to I equals 1. Hence, the principal value of 1 raised to the power I is 1.